Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Mayai Pasua. This is a Kenyan street delicacy. You will find this being sold in every street in Kenya, so I'm going to take you through the recipe. We start off by boiling the eggs, and my water was heating here. I'm adding salt to help harden the shell, and this is going to help us when we are removing the shell. It makes it really easy. So I'm putting in my eggs very gently, and I'm going to let them boil for 10 minutes because I like my eggs well cooked. We are also going to prepare some kachumbari, which is basically salad consisting of onion, tomato, and coriander. I'm going to start by chopping my onions really well, and I'm going to chop them into small pieces, and then we are going to make the salad. I usually soak my onions in salty water to take that tangy taste out of them. That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to soak them for a few minutes while I'm preparing the coriander and the tomatoes. So now our salad is ready. I'm just going to add in some sauce, some tomato sauce, hot and sweet. So our boiled eggs are ready. You can see they are well boiled and the shell is hard. I'm going to take them from the hot water and put them in the cold water so they can cool down, and also it will help us when we're taking the shell out to do it faster. So you just take your egg and you just heat it with a spoon, or you heat it on a surface and you just take the shell out. I usually see the street vendors using the spoon like this, and it really does a good job because it helps you take the shell out in a very easy way. Sometimes I forget and use my hands, but using the spoon is way easier. So now we are done with peeling of the eggs. We are just going to slice them at the center. You can slice it open completely, or you can just slice it a bit and put the salad that we had prepared inside. And this is really delicious and so filling. So now here we have our mayai pasua. It was really delicious. You should try it out. Thank you so much for watching until this point. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And please do not forget to join my membership also. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.